Good morning. Welcome to vlog number 3. Guys, I'm consistent. I'm doing it. Whew, the last 2 were very difficult. I mean, having to film, edit, and upload in one day is difficult, and I see why a lot of people start Vlogmas ahead of time and they just kind of publish it on December or in December. So yeah, I got absolutely no sleep last night. I only got about 4 hours of sleep, so I'm running on 4 hours of sleep right now with no coffee. So it must be the adrenaline from working out, because I don't know how I'm awake and functional. But yeah, I went to sleep late because by the time I published the video, it was 11:30, so it took me a while to edit and publish. Even though I'm not doing a lot of editing in the videos, you still want your videos to make sense. So yeah, it took me a little while, went to sleep really late, and I still had to get up and work out this morning. Working out was good. It was very difficult for me to get up, and once I got to the gym, I was ready. I was on and popping, and we worked on legs and glutes today, which was intense. And I did some cardio and abs as well. So really productive. I love the fact that I start my workout in the morning because I still have the rest of the day to work on everything else. So yeah, I just love it, and it sets the intention for my day. So I would definitely encourage you guys to work out in the morning, or work out period. But anywho, I'm on my way, or I just got ready, and I'm going to be on my way to Beans Cafe, which is my favorite cafe, my favorite coffee shop. They have my favorite coffee there. And I may buy some coffee grounds as well. And I have a lot to edit today. I have 2 videos. I actually have 3 videos to edit. This is one of the videos that I want to edit, at least up until where I stop. And then I'll pick it back up later on today. And hopefully this video can go out before 9 p.m. So I would like for it to go out way before that, but I'm going to give me a more realistic deadline, and that's 9 p.m. Because I've been having them they've been published much later in the day, like around 10:30, 11:30, and that is not acceptable. So anywho, but yeah, I'll also be going to Ikea today. I'm gonna of course bring you guys along. I have a few products to purchase for a client that I have tomorrow. We confirmed the shopping list yesterday, so I'm gonna purchase some today and get ready for that. And then I also may have a client this weekend, so I'll probably go shopping Friday for her. So yeah, busy day, which is always great. I love a good productive day, and I'm gonna of course take you guys along with me. It may not be the most fun thing to watch, but it's just my life, and my life is not that fun. At least maybe it is. Maybe to me it's fun, but it may not be fun to you. But anywho, I also haven't put up the rest of my ornaments, so hopefully I can get that today. You know, at this point, my tree's up. It looks cute. It looks pretty bare, but it's up, and it is what it is. So hopefully I can get to putting up those ornaments, but if I don't, it is going to be what it is. And we're just gonna have to accept that. Judy, talking to myself now. But anywho, I'm ready. Let me get in my car, and I'll talk to you guys in the car, as always. As I was getting out of my garage, I saw that little cat sitting in front of the door. Oh, he looks so cold. Oh my. So we have a lot of stray cats in the neighborhood, and I mean, there's really nothing we can do. Both neighbors on both sides feed the cats, so they stay, and a lot of them have been dying lately because, you know, they're stray cats. They're running around. They don't know really what to do, how to really live. So I've seen a lot of cats dead on the street in the neighborhood because people are just running over them and not really caring about them. Let me get off the subject of cats. It's a beautiful day today. I appreciate beautiful days. Don't get me wrong, I love a gloomy day, but I love a beautiful, bright, no clouds in the sky day. It's happiness, you know? Happiness. Oh my gosh, you know, I am so excited to drink some coffee. Honestly, no lie. As I'm in the gym, sometimes I think about coffee. I'm like, oh, when I'm done, my reward is coffee. I'm gonna drink delicious coffee and enjoy every warm, delicious sip of it. Yeah, that's how obsessed I am with coffee. I love the feeling coffee gives me. Not the caffeine feeling, the feeling of drinking something hot, the feeling of the hot liquid running down my throat. I just love it. So, you know where I'm at, the Container Store, and I got everything I need. I have a list, and I'm following my list, and I think I got everything. So, I have a few things. I'll go ahead and show you guys. So, I got a couple of drawer organizers. I have a tall one, and then I have two short ones. I have a spice rack, two Lazy Susans, and I have a few other different types of drawer organizers that are kind of like trays. That's pretty much it. I think I have everything. I'm gonna go pay, and then I'm gonna go to Ikea. Wish me luck. So I'm at Ikea, as you probably already know, and I made a pit stop at the dining chair table area. And I really like this dining chair as a desk table. For my office, as a desk chair. I would need two of them, and I do really like it. It is $179, and which is not bad. I've been looking at desk chairs. I've seen one upwards of like $300 to $400, and I really like that one. So $179 is not bad. I'm still gonna look around. I've been looking on Craigslist for a while now, and I still haven't found anything. I need to look at Letgo. I need to look on Letgo. I forget about Letgo. So yeah, but I really like this. I just love the simplicity of it. It's just really nice dark gray. This is my favorite part. So we'll see. I'll keep looking, but let me go to the kitchen area. It's over there, so I'm not too far from it. Hello guys, I am home. I'm tired and I got a lot done today. Super happy, super productive day, which is always great. I'm really happy because I was able to get Sabria a gift. So now she has a gift under the Christmas tree. So when she does come, she's going to see her gift. She's going to see her present and be happy about that. So as the month, or as we start getting closer to Christmas, the tree will start to get full. I'm very strategic when it comes to gifts, so I don't just buy just because. I, of course, have to know what people want before I buy, and I have to make some time to go buy those gifts. So, anywho, but yeah, I had a great day. Tomorrow is a busy day. I have a client I'm gonna work with the team members. So it's gonna be 2 of us working in a client's home. It's gonna be the same Rescue My Space girl you saw in the last vlog. We have a client tomorrow, so we're gonna be working on a kitchen and a pantry. So I'm excited about that. This is a new client. New clients are always great. And then I also have to work on some internal stuff. So I have a quote to work on, and then I have to go to the Home Depot. I got to get some quarter rounds for my closet so I can finally finish and film this final reveal. I mean, I've been using my closet. Well, actually, I haven't used it in a week now because I had our flooring guy come in. But before that, I was using my closet, and I just can't really film in it because it's not done. I mean, I can film in it. I just don't. So yeah, I also have to get ready for Sunday. Sunday is the lunch and learn with the RMS girls. So my team members are going to come here. We're going to just go through things. So I have to get ready for that. Each day that I'm getting closer to it, I'm reminded that I'm nowhere near ready for the meeting. I mean, it doesn't require a lot to be done beforehand, but you know, I still want to make sure that everything's together and organized and put in place before they do come to the office and we actually go over things. So hopefully by Thursday, I can actually sit down and work on an agenda and make sure I have everything in order, all my ducks in a row. So then when Sunday comes, it'll be a pretty flawless meeting. That's my goal. So anywho, I'm gonna go to my couch, sit down, open my computer, finish up this vlog, edit it, post it, and then hopefully you guys get to see this at around 10 o'clock. Oh, that wasn't what I was trying to do, but I had a lot of other things to do. So maybe around 10 o'clock you guys will see this video. But anywho, I'm getting it done, so I am not complaining. So anywho, I say anywho a lot. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I look tired. I need to go to sleep.